Hi there, my name is Vishnu. I work for Dataverse IT Solutions. I'm here to talk about few things regarding digital marketing and the successful ad campaigns run in our country. When it comes to digital advertising, the biggest challenge would be money. It is obvious that it is difficult to invest huge amount of money into digital advertising where you have no clue of the results. A lot of people assume that digital advertising is only for the big commercial enterprises where they have huge marketing spends. But people are changing though. We see a lot of small business as well coming into digital advertising and they make huge return over investment. Without wasting any time, let's go through some of the successful ad campaigns run in our country. The first one in our list is KFC India. The campaign was named as Caricature, where fans of KFC had to choose an ethnic character, a Desi character, and it made huge wave in our country. This was one of the fastest social media brand ever to grow in India. The second in our list is Wix. The campaign was named as Generation of Care and it was going by the hashtag Touch of Care. This was connecting to the audience very emotionally. This post actually reached 2.5 million people and there were 34,000 shares. So now let's go to the next one. The third one and the final one in our list is the Bajaj, the Vikrant. It was actually more patriotic and this actually gave free publicity to Bajaj. Around it was estimated around 0.7 million US dollars in just a matter of a week. What did you see common in these ad campaigns? Yes, the campaign was run by big companies who had big marketing spends. But well, I'm not talking about that. Even with a limited budget, you can also do these kind of ad campaigns and go viral in all digital platforms, and you make a strong presence in digital world. So how do you do that? You should have a creative team, and you should have some strong team who understand the latest digital trends. To staff this kind of expertise, you would need tons of money. Well, that's why we are here. We have a very strong team who understand the latest digital trends, who are very creative, who are very unique. So call us now to know more and discover how we can help you grow your business. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.